Welcome to a world of guilt-free indulgence. Whether you're on a ketogenic journey or just looking for delicious low-carb treats, we've got you covered. Today, we're sharing mouth-watering keto snacks and desserts that will keep you energized, satisfied, and totally in love with your diet. Let's dive in. First up, we have some classic keto snack ideas to satisfy your cravings. Number 1, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, and pumpkin seeds are perfect for a quick, crunchy, and nutritious snack. Packed with healthy fats and fiber, a small handful goes a long way. Number 2, cheese platters. Pair cheddar, brie, or Gouda with cucumber slices, celery, or even a handful of olives for a gourmet snack. Number 3, avocado delights. Slice up an avocado, sprinkle it with salt and pepper, or whip up some guacamole and pair it with veggie sticks. Number 4, hard-boiled eggs. Simple, satisfying, and protein-packed. Add a dash of paprika or try making deviled eggs for a flavorful twist. Number 5, veggie sticks and dips. Bell peppers, cucumber, and celery are perfect companions for guacamole, tahini-based hummus, or a creamy spinach dip. And don't forget the creative options like Parmesan crisps, roasted chickpeas, and even homemade zucchini or eggplant chips. These crunchy snacks are all low-carb and high on taste. Now, for the sweet tooth lovers, let's explore some guilt-free keto desserts. First, we have keto chocolate avocado pudding. Blend ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a low-carb sweetener, and coconut milk for a silky, decadent treat. Next up, low-carb cheesecake bars. Made with an almond flour crust and creamy filling, these bars are a slice of heaven. Love cookies? Try coconut flour chocolate chip cookies. Soft, chewy, and totally satisfying. Or whip up sugar-free peanut butter cups. These are the perfect twist on the classic treat, without the guilt. Looking for something light? Berry chia seed pudding is a refreshing dessert that's packed with fiber and flavor. And don't miss out on the almond flour lemon cake, pumpkin spice fat bombs, and even single-serving mug cakes for those moments when you want a quick treat. See? Snacking and desserts on a ketogenic diet can be delicious, creative, and totally satisfying. Experiment with these ideas and discover your new favorites. If you love these ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite keto snacks in the comments below. Thanks for watching.